Hey guys, I'm Abhash. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a seamless looking Instagram post. We see a lot of photographers using this technique and this really looks impressive. And using this technique, you can make a really great Instagram post. So let's start by understanding the concept first, so that once you understand the concept, you can make as many slides as you want. So this is how a normal portrait Instagram post looks like. It's 4 to 5 ratio. That means if the height of the post is 5 cm, then it will be 4 cm wide. So we want to create a seamless post. That means we will require at least 2 slides. So we need 2 images. Now the ratio will be 8:5. The post is still 5 tall, but it's 4 plus 4, that means 8 wide. I know this is kind of confusing, so let me show you an example. So we are in Photoshop right now and this is our image. First of all, select crop tool. In the top you will see ratio. Here if you put 4 and 5, then the ratio of image will be 4 to 5, and that is the ratio we want for a single image. But we want to create a seamless post, so of course we want at least 2 slides. The height will still be 5, but the breadth will be 8 because we will divide it in half. So enter the ratio 8 and 5. Now our image is ready. Then go to slice tool, right click on the image. You will find an option divide slice. Now it will give you 2 options, divide horizontally or divide vertically. So of course in this case we want to divide it vertically. Select divide vertically. Now as we want to divide it in 2 images, enter 2 here. Click OK. Now you can see a blue line in the middle. That is the line that will divide the images. So now click on File and don't click on Save or Save As. Go to Export. Here you will find a sub menu. Click on Save for Web. Now make sure your quality is set to 100 and your format is JPEG or whatever format you want to export in. Click on Save and save it to wherever you want. Now if you open that folder, you will find 2 different images. So that's it. You can now upload it on Instagram. But some of you may ask, what if you want to divide it in 3 different images? So that's simple too. Let me show you how. Select the crop tool. Of course the height will be the same, 5 again. But if we want to divide it in 3 parts, then we will need 4 plus 4 plus 4. That means 12 breadth. Enter 12 here. Adjust your image and hit enter. Now go to slice tool again and right click on the image. Click on divide slice. Now this time, as we want to divide it in 3 different images, enter 3 here. Hit OK. Now go to File, Export, Save for Web. Click on Save and save it wherever you want. Now if you open the folder, you will find 3 different images. So that's it guys. That's how simple it is to make a seamless post. The height will remain same, that is 5, and the breadth will be 4, 8 or 12 depending on how much slide you want to make. So that's it guys. I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, then please give it a like, and if you have any question, write that down in the comment, and for more tutorial, subscribe to the channel. My name is Abhash, and I will see you next time.